Do you want to know how you can log into your unpredictable.ai account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your unpredictable.ai account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for Undetectable AI login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen, or you can scroll down and click on the second link. It will take you to the official login portal of Undetectable. Go ahead and write down your email address, your password, click login, and then you will notice that you will successfully log in to your undetectable.ai account. You can click on remember me and your browser will remember you the next time you try to log in. You can hide or unhide the password anytime by clicking on this eye icon over here. And in case you have forgotten your account or your password, go ahead and click on this link and recover your password once again. If you want to skip all of this and want to log in Google, go ahead and click login with Google, which is over here. Select your Google account, click continue to sign into Undetectable AI, and in a while you can notice that you have now logged into Undetectable AI using your Gmail. I hope this video about how you can log into your Undetectable AI was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.